Hi, welcome back to Norton Man Reviews of Video Game, and we just got finished beating up on Poison Ivy's bush, and the adventures of Batman and Robin. So let's get going. What's next? Foul play. Da-da-da-dun-da-dun-da-da. Wait, that's the Joker's theme song. What's the Penguins? It's Robin. Batman, it's an emergency. There has been a break-in at the Gotham City Museum. It appears that it's the work of a large gang. Cool.
Okay, Robin, meet me at the museum and bring a six-pack. I'll need the help of that to get through the night with you.
Leave it to me, Batman. I'll pay some guy to get me booze. Master Bruce, maybe you should also bring a joint with you if you're going to be with Robin, sir. I've put some in your equipment. There may also be power outages.
Thanks, Alfred. A doobie would be nice.
Let's see. We want a flashlight if there's going to be a power outage, right? Smoke bomb, plastic explosives. Whatever. We'll use all of it. Hey, look. There's Robin.
Robin, can I punch you in the dick? I want to give you a dick punch. Dick punch. Get it? Robin, you get it? Dick punch.
Alright.
Woo! Can't do that, can you, Robin?
Sure can't, Batman. You can run faster than me, though. What's up with that?
Robin, I'm over here.
Huh? Alright, where are we going? Let's go, Robin. The Adventures of Batman and Robin, but, like, this is the only time you get to have Robin with you. So, whatever. Oh. Let's see. No, I do not want to return to the Batcave. Jesus. Where's my flashlight? Alright, Robin.
Alright, Robin. You go that way. Maybe you'll get yourself killed.
Got it, Batman. Be careful. So I got my flashlight on so I can see more stuff, so that's nice. Oh, see, there's a bomb. If I didn't have that, I wouldn't see it. Batman, you're so smart. How are you not the world's greatest detective by bringing a flashlight? Oh. And then I could move it around. Did I ever know I could do that? That's cool. I missed that one. Maybe I should do that. Yeah. The phone is still out. Hello. What happened? Pull your pants up. Thanks, Batman. We were attacked by some kind of bird-like thing. Please help the rest of the staff. There's an elevator down the middle corridor. Go down to the security room in the basement.
Thanks. I'll do that.
Wait, what'd you say? I wasn't paying attention. Alright, here we go. Batman's fucking around. Jump the bomb. There's another bomb. How did I miss that the first time? So we go down here. Oh. Can I go in the elevator? Sure can. I want to go in the basement, though, right? Oh, I pressed down instead of up. That makes sense. Alright, floor 1. Goddamn Batman. Pressing the wrong buttons. Now I go to B or A. Did it say? Let's go B. Jump that. Here we go, and we're jumping that. Let's see what's over here. Nothing. What's in here? A security man person. All of a sudden, this guy burst into the room. He knocked me out and must have stolen my master key.
Fuck! How many people are still in the museum?
There should be the curator and 4 other workers. Oh, hey! Batman, I did something good. I found the curator.
Lock him up. He must be part of this.
Take this master key. You'll be able to open most every door in the museum. We can use this to get a rough idea of the location of the others.
Listen, Curator, I'll tell you what the plan will be.
Batman, it looks like there's someone in Block A and Block B in the basement. Someone in Block A on the first floor. You are in...
I know where I'm at, you stupid little shit. You.
Oh! I got a master key now. See that up there? That's nice. Oh, where'd this guy... Oh, he can just run through that. That is good. How do you do? So, can I go in here? I mean, I got a master key. What's in here?
There ain't jack shit in here.
Oh, except this guy. How'd he come in? Alright. Pow. Pow. Go in here. What's in here? Ooh, health. Cool. Cool.
Can I use the fucking phone now, Robin?
Robin, where to next? Batman, it looks like there's someone in Block A and Block B in the basement. Someone in Block A on the first... Block B in the basement. I know that. Oh. Yeah, fuck you, dude. Do I have to look at every one of these? Well, there's more health. And more of this that I don't need. Hey. That's cool.
Oh, fuck, now I'm lost.
Okay. Looking through rooms. Jump kicking assholes. God, every room. Anyone in here? Nope. Nope. Alright, where are we going? We're still going this way. Guess we're going this room. More health. I don't need it. Leave it there just in case. Because this is such a stressful level.
Where the fuck am I?
Where to next? Yeah, I know. It looks like there's someone in Block A and Block B in the basement. You're in Block A in the basement. I shouldn't have gone through that fucking door. Alright. Yeah, fuck you. Let's see. So, let's go left, I think. I don't think we've been in this one. Health. God damn, man. Where the fuck? Oh. What am I doing wrong? Oh, for crying out loud. He was here the whole time. Yeah. Alright. Go back out. Go down this hallway. And go back to Block B. And I think we want to go this way. Let's see. Should we take a guess? Let's go in here.
God damn it, you better be in here.
Yeah, you are. Thanks, Batman. Alright, one more fucking hostage, right? In the first floor. Most of the other, like, sub-weapons, like gas and stuff, are kind of useless. Yeah, sucker. Oh! Go back. We're going up, up. Ascend. Was it block A or block B on the first floor? Let's go to block B. I think we're already in block A when we first started. God. Yeah. It's probably at the end of the hall. Don't you think? That guy was gonna fucking shoot my ass. Well, at least I'm kicking henchmen into oblivion. Do.
Alright, you better.
Fucking health. I don't need it. Fuck. Alright. Robin, where to next? Batman, it looks like there's someone in block A on the first floor, and you are in block... Fuck. Some fucking detective I am. I mean, oh, I guess I didn't have the master key, so I couldn't go into those other doors. That makes sense, I guess. Let's go left. Try every goddamn door. Ooh, this is pretty. Don't need that, don't need that. I don't want to go through there. Like, why would I even use, like, my pepper spray or something when I could just punch him with the righteous fists of the bat? God, there's so much health that I don't need. I'm sure there's going to be other stages where I desperately need health and it won't give me shit. Are you in here? No? Oh my god. Okay. Fuck you. You shit-faced motherfucking asshole with a... You hit me with a gun.
Batman doesn't like guns.
Well, I can pick up this health. Kick this guy into oblivion. Where is it? Okay. You're in here. I know you're in here. Hi, I was right. But I have to, like, duck down. Thanks, Batman.
No problem.
I need a telephone. Robin, we've rescued all of them. You sure did, Batman. Give yourself a star. Seems that guy was the Penguin. Only he would send a giant bird to amuse it. Great detective work. That's right. He was after the artwork being displayed on the second floor, but it's okay. His master key doesn't open that room. It's a combination lock. You can't get in unless you have the 4-digit. I'll ask the curator for the combination. Oh, Jesus. Dun, dun, dun. Oh, it's the Penguin. If this isn't Batman, yeah. I'm in a bit of a hurry. He.
Penguin!
Well. Turn on the lights. I guess, where were they? They were in the basement, right? I guess I'm going back to the basement? Come on, go in the elevator. B or A? I don't fucking remember. Was it all the way at the end? Oh, yeah, let's go in here. Robin, you motherfucking useless piece of... So sorry, Batman.
That's okay. You're fired.
Interesting, Batman. It looks like the Curator is in Block A in the basement, and you were in Block B in the basement. Cool. Let's see, I'm going to use some pepper spray. Not with that guy, though. He doesn't deserve it. Not that guy, either. Oh, you... Oh! Haha, fuck you. That was fun. Wait, what? I can't... Oh, I need my MasterCard. I'm looking for health now.
Is there any health in here?
Of course there's not. The one fucking door I go into, there's no health. Where am I going? I need to go through Block B, right? I might be able to go, like, do a shortcut. No, not this one. It's the other one. In here, right? Yeah. There's nothing through here. I'm fucking lost again. Where am I? I was in Block A in the basement. You were in Block A. Okay, I'm on the right path. Left or right, I guess. There's no way he's in. Kind of looking for health. Now, when I want the health, it's never around.
God.
Oh. Where the fuck are we going? Oh, there's some health. No Curator. Oh my god. Alright, I paused it so you wouldn't have to watch me going through every fucking doorway. Here's the Curator.
Are you okay?
Thank you, Batman. They are going after the display on the second floor. You've got to stop them. The secret combination is shit! I went by too fast. 8075, I think. Wait, what is it? Tell me. Can you tell me again? Can you tell me? Okay. Thank you, Pat. Yeah. 8075.
I knew that. I have an identity. Something.
Oh no, I don't care about you anymore.
I have one of those memories that remembers everything. Because I'm Batman.
Alright. Making our way through the hallways, jumping over bumps, punching people in the fucking face. Going through the hallway, finding the elevator. Oh, god damn, man. Give me a goddamn second. Up.
Up.
Oh, Batman, using an elevator like a fucking commoner. I thought you were a billionaire. Luckily, there's only one goddamn way to go. This way.
Oh, it's the other way.
Yeah, fuck you. Fuck you. What's back here?
Some more health. Like the Batman needs some goddamn health.
8. Oh. 8075.
It worked.
Here we go. I don't need the MasterCard anywhere. Oh, nah.
Penguin, this is the end of the line.
Ah, you're always interrupting at the wrong time. Oh, I'm talking like a bird. I think I'll feed you too.
Yeah.
Oh, shit. Goddamn bird. I ain't afraid to punch a bird. This is one crafty bird.
Birds are no match for a Batman.
This is all on the second floor? Oh. Going up the stairs. That was kind of a pointless little room. Alright.
It's over. Give up, Penguin.
Oh, but you're so wrong. Let me show you my latest invention. Oh, shit. Okay. I remember that. Oh, hey, hello. Ooh! Oh, shit. Yeah, fucking punch that penguin. Throw him over the side of the building. God damn it. Ugh, damn it. Alright. I was like, this is gonna be fucking easy. But then they got clever. Oh, come on, man. Maybe I should throw a goddamn batarang at him. Come down here, you fat little shit. Yeah, come on. Throw him over! Oh, no. Oh, God damn it. I gotta remember that. Alright, come on. Let's clutch this out. Can I hit him at all? No, fuck. Didn't clutch shit, did I? Well, at least I'm right here.
It's over. Give up, Penguin.
Oh, yeah. I remember the episode where you had to... Oh, God, how do I dodge that? Like, Penguin stole this, like, really fancy helicopter, and Batman went blind in that episode somehow. There was an explosion, and he couldn't see. Ugh. So, he had to, like, interface... Oh, God damn it. He had to interface to the bat wing. Oh, God damn, man. To fight this thing. It was a cool episode. But then, at the end... Oh, you fat fucking shit bird. Yeah. Stay away, stay away, stay away. Is he still on the ground? He is. You, and that reach. I'm gonna throw... Okay. I'm gonna throw a fucking shuriken at your... Dodge that. Dodge it again. Stage cleared. Fuck yeah, man. And that's the end of that one. So, yeah, I'm gonna play the next one. So, thank you for watching. Give this video a like. You know, it is what it is. As always, I'll see you in the next video.